PressOne is a powerful message broadcast dialer that makes phone calls to potential customers, then it will allow them to listen to your offer. That's why you need to manage audio files to be used in the campaigns that you will perform. Remember that the quality and content of these audio files is very important for the success of your campaigns. In these recordings you should clearly explain your offer to potential clients in an attractive way. In addition, you should include the options that the listener must make to take action. Something like, press 1 to talk to a representative, press 2 to sales department, and so on. The managing of audio files is what you will learn in this video. As the first step, please go to portal.dialer.sas2.co. Once there, you must log in. You will be redirected to the application dashboard. Now, you will see some tabs on top. Please click on Audio tab. You are now in the audio file management page. To add a new audio, please click on Add New button. A new window will come up. Set a name for the audio file and browse through your computer to upload it. Once you are done, click on Save button. You will see that your audio has been successfully uploaded. Now you can see the file on the screen with the assigned name, size and upload date. Selecting the file, you can see more detail about that file on the right part of the page. Also you can play that file to listen it. Now, if you would like to delete an audio, please select the audio. Once you have selected it, please click on Delete Selected. A new window will come up asking for your confirmation. To continue, click on Delete button. In the event that you try to delete an audio file that is being used in a campaign, PressOne will inform you that it will not be possible to do so because it is being used. And this is how easy you can manage your audio files for your campaigns. This is all you need to manage audio files in PressOne. Thanks for watching.